안녕하세요, 사라예요. We are gonna learn that Sino-Korean number. If you want to know about this, please stay tuned. Last time we learned that natural Korean number system, and then today we are gonna learn that Sino-Korean number. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 10. Yes. If you know Chinese, it's made quite similar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, 11 is also same. 10 plus 1. So what is 10? Yeah, 10. 11. Yes, 11 is 11. And then 12 is 12. And then what about 13? Yes, 13. Yeah, 13. Yes, very good. Sino-Korean number system is simpler than the natural Korean. 20 is 2, 10. So 2 is 2, and then 10 is 10. Yeah, so 20 is 20. Then 30 is 30. Yes, 30. What about 35? 30 and 5. Yeah, 35. Yeah, 35 is 35. 40, 40. 50, 50. 60, 60. 70, 70. 80, 80. 90, 90. 100. Yeah, 100. Okay, last video I mentioned that 100 already. Yeah, 100 is 100. 101 is 101. Yes, 101. And then 200 is same concept. 200. Yes, 200. 300 is 300. 1000 is 1000. 1000. 만 is 10,000. 만. 10만. 10만 is 100,000. 10 million. 100만. 100만. Okay, good. This Sino-Korean number mainly used for phone number in mathematics when you are talking about minute. Yes. Also, native Korean number is used for talking about an age, and then when you count. For example, this is pen. So pen 하나, 둘, 셋. Yes, when you are counting something, yeah, 하나, 둘, 셋. You use that word. Yeah. If you have any question, please let me know. And then, is it helpful? Please like me and subscribe me. Thank you very much. 감사합니다. 안녕.